In the previous vlog, I can smell my childhood in these crayons. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop. Ow. Watch me work my magic. Zoe, you poop in the potty? Now let's get into this vlog. Remember when I showed you guys this unfortunate wig? I went ahead and razzle-dazzled it up, and this is how it turned out. Boom, what you gotta say now, Amazon? She's giving Toni Braxton, you making me high. So bad, baby, baby, baby. Just washed my hair. Now I'm gonna blow dry it and get it all big. And then put that wig on. Film another sponsorship. And then do my toes for another sponsorship, and then start my hair. And I'll do my nails maybe tomorrow after my hair is done. Go drying my hair, baby.
Well, I got an instant tour offer on my car. USAA? Yeah, they have awesome rates on coverage for our car, home, and stuff. But they also have banking, plus advice, and other perks. So we know she's all set. The sites to get a great deal on our flight clear.
It is coming out pretty good. I started last night and I stayed up until 4 a.m. but I was trying to do it in the dark, but it's coming out pretty good. I did individuals around the front, and then I did some crochet in the back to make it quicker. So that's how long it is. Been doing this on and off all day. Almost done. I literally just have this left to do. And the rest of it looks really good. I'll be back. Gotta make dinner. I keep starting stuff and not finishing it. I still did not finish my toes from last night, that sponsorship I was doing. Look at these toes. Stuck the nails on, buffed them, got them prepped, then started my hair. I have to finish that video tonight. Hey friends, I'm back. So my hair's done. Ew. Look how long this is. Oh, can y'all see it? It is burning. These kids are so loud. I am about to prepare. I always think they're crying. I'm about to put together the chicken for tomorrow. That's going in the crock pot, and clean up this kitchen because I'm over it. But tomorrow we're gonna make crock pot chicken pot pie. I never made that in the crock pot. I never made that in the crock pot before, so that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. This kid's got my head spinning. Go in the living room. Go. 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 Go play in your room. Go. No more kitchen. Go. You want to get in trouble? Then go in the living room. Go ahead. Go with Daddy. Go get Daddy's phony. Go. Girl. You guys gotta behave. Anyway, I'm about to prepare this chicken, and I want to show you guys my hair. And I think I showed you my toes already. If you haven't seen the video about these UV gel toenail stickers, let me show them to you. Okay, so these are how the toes came out. Excuse how big they look. If you watch the video, you know that I stuck some fingernails to my toenails because my toenails are so small. So I used fingernails on my toenails, cut them down to the size I wanted, and then added the UV, I think they call them gelé stickers. But just go ahead and watch that video and you'll know what it's all about. So I'm about to clean up this kitchen and get this chicken ready for tomorrow so Chris can just turn on the crock pot. Start like this. And then up. And then down. Side. Side. And then up and down and side and side.
No.
Faster. 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 Faster.
No, stop. We don't move it in TV.
You want the robot on the TV? Okay.
Very
These kids want to learn how to do the
It's not
robot.
loose at all.
I'm clearly
You're
not the
even
one to
human.
teach them.
That's why you're a
So we're going to
robot.
watch it on
That's
YouTube.
funny. So
Alright.
basically it deals with hitting, a little bit hit.
Ready? Say, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Do that?
Yeah.
Oh, where'd it go?
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another tutorial with Pop and Joe. Okay, so you'll see that my two toes, the two fronts of my feet, are gonna move together like this. All right, so basically I'm tightening up.
So remember that chicken pot pie that I made? Chicken pot pie in the crock pot. Let me show you how it turned out. It looks so good. So I could have made it thicker, but I made it more like soup so I can have some for work tomorrow. But look at this. Got everything in it. I had to scoop this into the bowl, right? I'm gonna get a lot so I can share with the kids. And then make some biscuits. Get you a biscuit and put it right on top. I can't wait to eat this. So let's do a little taste test before we take it over to the kiddos. Get a little bit of spoon of everything. This is hot too. This thing been on for 8 hours. All right. Ooh, this looks good.